In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a mileage trip in the expenses section. We'll walk through the full process from opening the mileage area to saving your trip correctly. This is a simple task, but entering each detail carefully helps keep your records accurate and makes it easier to track travel for reporting and reimbursement purposes. To begin, open the mileage section. From the main navigation, go to Expenses, and then select Mileage. This will take you to the area where all mileage trips are recorded and managed. If you're adding a trip for the first time, take a quick moment to look over the page so you know where your saved trips and entry options are located. Once you're in the right place, click Add Trip. This opens the form where you'll enter the information for your new mileage record. The form is designed to capture the key details of your journey, so the next step is to fill it out carefully. Start by selecting the trip date. Make sure you choose the correct date for when the travel actually happened. This is especially important if you're entering trips after the fact, since accurate dates help keep your mileage log organized and reliable. Next, enter the distance traveled. Be sure to type in the total mileage for that trip as accurately as possible. After that, enter the start point and the end point. These fields should clearly show where the trip began and where it ended. Using clear, recognizable location names can make your records easier to review later. After the trip details are entered, classify the trip correctly. You'll need to choose whether the trip was business or personal. This distinction matters because it affects how the trip is categorized in your records. If the trip is business-related, choose the appropriate business purpose from the available options. Then select the vehicle used for the trip, so the mileage is associated with the correct vehicle record. If the trip included traveling to a destination and returning along the same route, turn on round trip if it applies. This helps ensure the trip is recorded properly without needing separate entries when the round trip setting is appropriate. Before finishing, review all the trip details. Take a few seconds to confirm that the date, distance, locations, classification, purpose, and vehicle are all correct. A quick review can help you avoid mistakes and save time later. Once everything looks good, click Save. Your trip will then be recorded in the mileage section and added to your records. That's how to add a mileage trip quickly and accurately in the expenses area.